Struggling to land more clients or job offers for you. You send out resumes, emails, proposals, but still not getting the right amount of proposals. You may be missing something in your portfolio. Here's the secret: your portfolio is your golden ticket. But if it's not working for you, it's working against you. Let me show you how to fix that. I also tell you about a tool that helps to do this in few simple clicks. Most portfolios fail to attract clients because they're messy, outdated, or worse, unclear about what you actually do. Your portfolio should instantly answer 3 questions. Who are you? What can you do? And why should someone trust you? That's where a1portfolio.com changes the game. It helps you build a sleek, professional portfolio in minutes. No coding, no headaches. Let me show you how. Pick a clean, modern design. Add your best work, quality over quantity. Write a killer bio that tells your story, not just your skills. And don't forget, testimonials and case studies build instant credibility. See the difference? This isn't just a showcase, it's a conversion machine. The better your portfolio, the easier it is to get hired. I used these exact strategies and got insane results. More clients, more job offers, and more money in my pocket. Want the same? Start optimizing your portfolio today with a1portfolio.com. Link in the description. Go check it out.